ready to connect with every customer in their own native language. Welcome back to another AC tutorial. For anyone with a global audience, managing multilingual email campaigns has meant juggling between spreadsheets, multiple campaign drafts, and a lot of time. What if you could connect with every customer in their own preferred language with just one send? That's where ActiveCampaign's new AI translation for email campaigns comes in. It's designed to do the heavy lifting for you, turning a time-consuming task into a simple click, so you can focus on the big ideas. Now, if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. So, how does it work? It always starts with a custom field in your contact's profile, their preferred language. Our AI uses these fields to automatically translate your email into one of the 75 supported languages. If a contact does not have the preferred language set up, no worries, they will simply get the original version of your email. First, I've got my email campaign ready to go. Down here in the campaign summary page, you see a new toggle, Translate to Contact's Language. Once you click, the AI gets to work. It scans your recipient list, detects their preferred language, and in just a few moments, it translates your campaign. This one is being translated into 7 different languages. Now, this is where you stay in control. Click Review, and you see a list of every translated version and how many contacts will receive each one. You can click into each language to review the content. Once you make a tweak, no problem. You can edit the text directly. Click Save and the change will only apply to that specific translation. It's that perfect blend of AI orchestration and your human touch. You will notice a small note about activities. This feature is powered by Activities and is simple. One activity is used for each contact to receive a translated version of the email. Anyone getting the default version won't use an activity. And after you send, the insight just keeps coming. In your campaign report, you see the little icon indicating that it was a translated campaign. Inside you get a detailed breakdown of how your email performs across every single language. This is huge. You will see this deeper level of personalization is driving more engagements and understanding how your message is landing with different audiences around the world. AI translations for email is more than just a feature. It's about building stronger connections. It's about making every customer feel seen and understood without slowing you down. It's marketing that is truly personalized, scalable, and free you up to take the next leap. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, give it a try, and let us know what you think. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.